In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can use Google Forms to set up a rubric. And we're going to start by just going to forms.google.com or go here to the Apps Launcher and click More, and you're going to see Forms. If you have never began a form, you just hit this little red button down here and you create a new form. I've already created my form. This way you do not have to watch me type. But basically, I added my title, which also matches up here. I've added the word name because I want students to add a name, and I'm going to go ahead and make this a required question. And I'm going to go ahead and show you that I had options on what my questions were, and this is a short answer question, so just add your name. And then the next section is a rate yourself section. So I've already added information to my rate yourself, but when I chose a question type, and this is how this works, I would just click add question, and I would go here and choose a multiple choice grid, not a checkbox grid, but a multiple choice grid. And from there, and I'm going to go ahead and delete that, I have rows and I have columns. My rows are the exemplar. This is kind of where I want them to be for a project. Maybe they have a book report or some sort of multimedia project, and I added information, and this lines up with this rubric in which I'm looking for selection of artifacts, descriptive text, reflective commentary, and citations. So if I go back to my rubric, I have the standard for where I want, and over here I have a rating system, 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, I have the option, and I'm going to go here and show you, go to description, and you could add a descriptive text that tells your students that 1 is the minimum and 4 is the max, or if you want it the other way around, whatever suits you. And when you have added your rows and your columns, this is what it will look like. So I'm just going to go ahead and select preview. And this is the rubric, and they could just go and rate themselves. So if they want here, maybe they thought they did really well on, and no one ever does well on citations, so I'm going to give that a 2. And they would submit. Oh, forgot the name, so it's not going to let me submit. And now do submission. And then as a teacher, you would see the first student. To send your rubric to your students, you would just once again go to preview, use this link here, or you could use the send button here. So to begin a rubric, just create a question type. So just hit add question, change it to multiple choice grid. Use your rows here to add your information that you want for your rubric, and over here put your rating scale on your columns.